Hello researchers, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. In this video, I am going to demonstrate you how to install various repositories after the installation of CentOS 7. Now you have installed CentOS 7 in the previous video, and in this video I will be telling you that in order to install additional packages from internet to your CentOS operating system machine, how to enable all the repositories. Now in this video I have already researched out almost all the repositories which you should enable so that you can get almost every package which is available for Linux into your CentOS machine in a very fast and a very easy manner. And all the commands which I'm going to demonstrate in this video will be shown in the bottom of this video, which you can use as such. Make it a notepad file, take it into your CentOS machine, and you can use as such in order to install the repositories. Now the first repository which I give you now before I should start the repository installation, let me give you that what repositories I'm going to install in this video. The first repository which I give you is EPEL Repository. Its full form is known as Extra Packages for Enterprise Linux. After that we will be installing REMI Repository. After that the chance will come for RPMFORGE Repository, which will be equivalent towards Red Hat Package Manager Forge Repository. After that we will be installing Webtatic Repository, then IUS Repository, and then in the last EL Repository, which is mostly used for installing almost all sorts of hardware drivers in terms of video, graphics drivers, or you can say printer drivers, everything, whatever you name it, it is basically for that repository. So let us go with the first command, that is with the installation of EPEL Repository. We can go with the installation of the command. First of all, before we should install, let us check the IP address of this machine with the command ifconfig. Now the machine has the IP address that is known as 10.0.2.15, which is the A class IP address. Now let us ping and check the connectivity, that whether we are connected to internet or not. So we give the command ping google.com. So now the response is being coming, so which means that the machine is internet ready and we can start with the installation of the repository packages. So first command in order to enable the EPEL repository is known as yum install epel-release. So we have to kill this command first of all. Okay, so let us install again yum install epel-release. Now it is working. So it will be giving some dependencies also. So you just have to press Y and press enter. So this you can say that the package epel-release with the latest version 7.5 will be installed. So it is downloading the package. It is not of very high MB, it is just a 14K package. So we can say that is this okay for the security of the key. Press Y and press enter. So now you can see that the EPEL repository has been installed. So now we go with the second part, the installation of REMI repository. So we go to the folder that is cd/tmp in order to download all the repository files. So here I drag this command to wget in order to get the REMI repository RPM file. So I just paste this command over here. So I press enter. So now it has been downloaded. Now let us install with firing this command sudo rpm So now it has released and it has been installed. So the third repository which will be opening is RPMFORGE Repository. So again we go with this command, that is pkgs.repoforge.org/rpmforge blah blah blah. So let us copy this and let us paste this. So it has downloaded the file. And now let us install this repository into the CentOS operating system machine to enable this repository, that is RPMFORGE, and paste it, and now it has installed. So after that we will be installing Webtatic Repository. So here the command wget http repo.webtatic.com/yum/el7/webtatic/release.rpm. So let us copy and paste this file. So it has been downloaded successfully. So now let us install this repository now. So the Webtatic repository with latest release 7.3 has been installed. So the second last repository which we'll be installing is IUS Repository. So we go with this wget command again. And don't you worry, all the commands which I'm going to demonstrate you will be finding in the video below. You can use as such, copy paste, and get it done into your Centos machines. So now it has also been downloaded. So let us fire the installation of this repository. Okay. So let us fire this installation. It has been installed. And with the last, that is the ELRepo, which I've already told you, which is mostly used for installing all sorts of drivers, hardware drivers basically, I will be deploying. So it has downloaded, and let us install this repository also. Yeah, it has been done. So let us come outside and let us see with the yum update that whether all the repositories are properly integrated into our CentOS machine or not. So fire the command yum update. So it will take, you can say the first time it will take some time, about 30 to 40 seconds, depending on your network connection speed, in order to crawl all the repositories. And once it has done, so we will be showing all the repositories. So you can see over here that the ELRepo repository has been successfully binding with my CentOS machine. So EPEL x86 underscore 64 has also been binded. So again the EPEL repository. So let's see what next. So the IUS repository has also been binded up. It has been working successfully. REMI safe is there. It has been installed and integrated. So now the RPMFORGE has been integrated. So it will be crawling alphabetically. So Webtatic Repository has been integrated now. So integration means that now you can install any sort of package from internet, and now it is crawling all the repositories. And no need to worry about the failed error. It will be trying about the fastest mirrors. So as soon as we find the fastest mirrors, it will be host cached, so that next time we should not wait much for installation of these type of repositories. So it will be keep crawling till it doesn't find the proper mirror. So now you can see that the EPEL primary repository has been crawling. So almost every repository has been integrated into this machine. So now you can fire any sort of command, or you can download any sort of package from the internet. You just have to type yum install the package name, like suppose yum install MariaDB server, and like suppose yum install HTTPD, yum installs Squid proxy server, etc, etc. There are tons and millions of softwares which you can install. So now within a matter of couple of seconds we will be greeted with every package which we need to install and update on this system. So it is taking some couple of seconds more. Let's wait and see. So I request you all that whenever you install CentOS operating system, do give these commands, and after that you can install any sort of command or any sort of software into your operating system from the internet. So almost we are done. So almost there. Okay, now it has been done now, and now it will show us all the packages in our system which is required to be updated as per the latest versions. So RPMFORGE primary DB has been integrated. In the coming videos, we will be demonstrating much about CentOS operating system, like deploying the LAMP server, installing MariaDB, installing MySQL server, and much more. And even RAID configurations, how to do it in a very easy and simple manner. So lots and lots of stuff I am having for you people. So it is just taking some time. So now you can see that all the packages are being resolved, and these packages are already installed in my CentOS machine, and these packages are to be updated. So it is not, so about 249 MB is required in order to update my CentOS operating system to all the packages which are available in the latest form. So if you want to install, you can install, otherwise you can click no. So in this video I have demonstrated in a very beautiful manner how to install all sorts of repositories into your CentOS operating system after installing it. So see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and do give it a shot and do practice this video.